Yo, what's up mga ka-retro? Dito tayo ngayon sa Taipei City Mall. Ito yung Akihabara ng Taiwan. Isang buong linya to ng mga console, collectible shop, toys, iba pang items. Y1, Y7. You can have a free Switch to play. Free play for Nintendo Switch 2. I finally found this game. Here. Yo, we finally got the game. Ang tagal ko na ito hinahanap na laro. Of games, retro gaming, consoles, and games. Dami dito. Dito tayo nakabili ng mga retro console dito. Purchase na Y7. Parang maze dito, ang dami. Left and right. Shops. Ba't ba yung mga shop dito? Itong shop na to puro anime, mga figures, collectible figures, random, iba mga vintage. Ayan. Isang shop pa lang to. Yung buong lugar na to, buong street, buong mall, puno ng mga gitong shop. Console, collectibles, klase-klase. Stuff here. Super Famicom Mini. Some controllers. N64 cards. DS. PS3s. Left and right yung mga store dito. Para siyang maze. Sayang hindi siya per sale. Ayan yun. Ganda. Digivice. So this shop near Y26 North Gate gave me 2 free Yu-Gi-Oh! Original gift card as a gift. You have Pokemon cards here, Dami nilang Pokemon dito. Pati ibang cards. Golden Box. Dragon Ball, One Piece. Dami ng mga Pokemon dito. Iba't ibang TCGs, different TCGs. Gundam. If you're into TCGs, come check out the shop inside Taipei City Mall.
或者是
This Gundam booster packs here for only 70 NTD, New Taiwan dollars, and they gave me 2 free cards.
所以就很真的蛮近，
好啊，就猜人家家。
然后长那
Yu-Gi-Oh
么可爱
cards here.
长那么可爱。
What's
Good, 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 good.
see if they have a good pull?
Good, good, good. What? No, no good, no
Not
good.
good, no good.
Good, no good.
Street Fighter 2. PS2 official control. Never say edition. Yes, please. Deadpool. They know their stuff. 7,980, 14,000 sa pesos. Very rare game na rin kasi pero sobrang overpriced na. 14,000 pesos. Pasok na tayo. PS1 games here. One Arms 2. Tekken. Tekken 1. Dragon Ball Ultimate Battle. Tekken 2. Tobal. First Tobal game. So we got games here, good finds at the shop. It's near Y22. Solid finds. Tekken 2, Tekken 1, pati True Crime. Y4. Basic mo. Okay. Dito yung labasan. Doon to Taipei City Mall. So yun, ito yung Akihabara ng Taiwan. Tapos ayan, nandyan na siya malapit. Nasa main station na tayo. Lusot na siya sa main station. Pasok tayo. Civic Road, tapos yung Taipei City Mall na yung sa baba. Ito yung Taipei main station. So, lusot lang dito yung Taipei City Mall kung saan tayo galing kanina.